Welcome to Demiks School Management Software. This software offers a system for managing customer relationships, an online billing system to make payment records and receiving easier, and a dashboard and reporting tool to keep track of statistics and the progress of your business. Click the Sign Up button to begin your 14-day free trial. Log into your Demiks software using your own Google account. The first thing that you will see on your screen is the dashboard, where you will later see the compilation of statistics for your school, including your payments and enrollments. However, this will appear after the software begins to collect data. I will now direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. The row of icons is your menu, which will help you navigate easily through this software. In addition, once you get the hang of it, you will notice transitions that will bring you to different sections of the software seamlessly and efficiently. To start, please click the school icon, which is at the bottom of your menu. Here is where you will manually input the information about your school.